going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Online TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome once again to my channel. Before I get into it, I do have to say, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It's completely free, and I could use your help, because ain't none of my friends helping, so I need you guys to help me. Anyways, today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Air Jordan Low KO with the COLLAB Union. But before I get into it, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by the best brand out there, baby, and Lime. Check out my brand. Check out my Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to cop some merch, get drippy, get fly, go to my website, lmnyc.com. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the review and unboxing. Guys, we got to start off with this beautiful box. Jordan brand really killed it. I love packaging. I'm a packaging designer. You know, I'm used to designing boxes for different items. And when an item comes in a nice packaging like this, I really love it. Oh, look, it looks like I'm wearing the chain. That's pretty cool. I wonder if that's what they were going for. But yeah, guys, this is like not a removable lid. It's like the lip lid. All navy matte box. Matte, not satin stuff, Fowler. Matte box. And the varnish on top. You got the glossy varnish on the chain artwork. The chain artwork, we got the chain, the Air Jordan logo with the Union on the bottom. On the sides, we have Union in script in foil, gold, and matte foil, gold hot stamp finish. The label reads Air Jordan KO 1 Low SP. Color is white, natural, gray is sail, and in French is blanc, violet, gris neutral. And this is a men's 10.5. I do have to say, if you want these, go through the sides. The inside, look at so much detail. The inside got that gold Jumpman on the side, Jumpman. A lot of finishes being used here. We got the beautiful tissue paper to match the outside of the box. That's very nice. Let's see if there's anything on the bottom. Nope, nothing on the bottom. But yeah, plenty of tissue paper for this shoe. Yeah, let's just get in right into the shoe. Boom. Very nice, clean shoe. I do love the Air Jordan 1 KO version. For those of you that don't know what KO means, it actually stands for knockoff. So these were a time where they wanted to make Air Jordan 1s more affordable to some people that couldn't afford the leather joints. So they made like an affordable version. And this is just the low version. And it is a special collab with the store Union, the boutique Union. If those of you don't familiar with Union, it is a store in Los Angeles. They've done plenty of collabs with the Jordan brand, and this year is no different. We are in 2024, I do know. I apologize for the delay. It was a hectic year last year. But I am doing the review of these because I recently sold them. I know it makes me sad, breaks my heart. But, you know, I really do need money right now. Yeah. Let's start with the bottom of the shoe. We got the bottom of the shoe, all gray outsole. Kind of similar to the Air Force 1 bottom, more than it is similar to the Jordan 1 bottom. We got that heavy cream midsole. It is a cream light sole midsole. And then the biggest thing about this is the material. The material, it is a canvasy material, so it does tend to get dirty easily. So you might want to be careful and plan ahead where you're going to wear these shoes, unless you want to have them dirty like that. We got the cream laces to match the midsole. And we got that iconic yellow stitching of the Union brand that uses that iconic zigzag stitching. And on the back, we got the Union logo. And the coolest part about this shoe is the removable swoosh. How cool is that? You can customize it. You know, you can have a double swoosh, or you can have no swoosh. On the inside, we got that Velcro. And it's so cool how they printed the UN and LA logo in the back on top of the Velcro. It's so cool. Like, you can wear it without the swoosh. So the swoosh comes in the gray, and then it also comes, they give you an option of blue. My opinion, I think they both look great. Metal eyelids. They got metal white eyelids. The tongue, it is an all nylon tongue except for the top part, which is like a suede part, and a raw exposed tongue, similar to what they've done to all their shoes. On the back heel, we got the Air Jordan 1 KO logo, and it's a pretty cool feature that you can secure your swoosh in. This lifts it up and you secure your swoosh in so it won't go nowhere. That's just an extra, I mean, I'm pretty sure it won't go nowhere with the Velcro, but that's just an extra thing to add to it. The inside is all gray, sock lining, and this is a really clean shoe. What do you guys think about this shoe? I really love it. I really enjoy it. I really hope I can get it in the future, because right now I can't have too many shoes. It's just becoming like overwhelming. Like, I love these, but I don't love them to the fact that like I really want them. You know what I mean? But great shoe. If you're thinking of buying, I say go ahead. Market is very low. I just sold these on eBay for like $140, and yeah, that's that. Only made like, probably didn't make anything, honestly. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. I really appreciate your comments and the support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to get fly drippy, and just fly, go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you guys so much. Until the next one. Deuces.